Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Create a board and choose visibility that matches your team. Once done, add core lists. Backlog, doing, done, so work flows left to right. Next, create a few cards for immediate tasks and assign at least one member to each card so accountability exists from the first minute. Make sure to set a clear naming convention and enable notifications. This reduces confusion and gets your team working in Trello without delay. Now focus on execution. Open a card and add a checklist to break work into steps, then attach files and set a due date for timing. Use labels to indicate priority or type. Color plus short text clarifies at a glance. Assign team members inside each card so responsibilities are explicit. Once comfortable, enable one or two power-ups like calendar or Slack integration to streamline communication. Finally, create simple automations to close a project step, move finished cards to done and archive them weekly to keep the board tidy. Archiving preserves history without clutter. Once done, run a quick review in your weekly meeting to reprioritize and groom the backlog. If something goes wrong, first check sync problems, verify internet, sign out and back in, and clear the browser cache. If issues persist, reduce active power-ups, then re-enable one at a time to isolate conflicts. This resolves most workflow disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.